Let's start with an overview of what ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund is all about. It is a mutual fund that aims to generate income and capital appreciation by investing in a diversified portfolio of global assets, including bonds, equities, and other income-generating securities. What makes this fund unique is its multi-asset approach. By investing in a wide range of asset classes, the fund aims to capture opportunities across different markets and sectors while also managing risk through diversification. The fund's global investment approach provides investors with exposure to a wide range of markets and industries, which can help diversify their portfolio. The ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund was launched in June 2021 in the Philippines. Being a feeder fund, it will invest at least 90% of its assets into a single collective scheme. Its target fund is BGF Global Multi-Asset Income Fund managed by BlackRock. BlackRock is one of the world's largest investment companies based in New York City. In terms of asset allocation, ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund has 55% fixed income, 34% equities, and 11% cash and cash equivalents. In terms of top 3 regional exposure, it has 64% exposure in North America, 21% in Europe, and 9% in emerging markets. Its top 10 holdings include iShares US Mortgage-Backed Securities ETF, iShares Corporate Bond UCITS ETF, iShares Short Duration Corporate Bonds, BGF US Dollar High Yield Bonds, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, Microsoft Corporation, Sanofi, iShares High Yield Corporate Bond ETF, AstraZeneca, and Medtronic. Now let's talk about the benefits of investing in ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund. Number 1. Income. The fund provides investors with a stable stream of income through its dividend payments. One of the primary advantages is the potential for a consistent income stream. The fund focuses on income-generating assets such as high-quality bonds and dividend-paying stocks, which can provide regular distributions to investors. The dividends are paid on a monthly basis and will be automatically deposited into the investor's cash balance. It is at the discretion of the investors whether they would like to spend the dividends or reinvest them back into the fund. Number 2. Diversification. The fund's diversified portfolio helps to reduce risk and protect investors' capital. Additionally, the fund's global approach allows for geographical diversification. By investing in assets from different countries and regions, the fund aims to reduce the impact of localized economic events and capture opportunities in various markets. This diversification can potentially enhance returns and lower overall portfolio risk. This diversification is designed to spread risk and potentially reduce the impact of any single investment on the overall portfolio. Imagine the fund's assets divided into a pie chart. A portion may be allocated to fixed income securities such as government bonds or corporate bonds to generate income. Another slice may be dedicated to equities, allowing investors to participate in the growth potential of companies. And there might be additional allocations to alternative investments or other income-generating assets depending on the fund's strategy. Number 3. Growth. The fund has the potential to generate long-term capital growth through its investment in a variety of assets. The fund invests in a diversified portfolio of assets, including equities, equity-related securities, fixed income transferable securities, and other permitted investments. This strategy allows investors to potentially benefit from various income streams and take advantage of market fluctuations. Number 4. Professional management. The fund is managed by a team of BlackRock's experienced investment professionals who have a proven track record of success. The fund's investment team uses a bottom-up approach to security selection, which means that they analyze individual securities based on their fundamentals and potential for growth. Now, before investing in mutual funds, I carefully evaluate 5 key factors: investment style, fund manager, fees, performance, and Sharpe ratio. These criteria allow me to thoroughly assess the fund's strategy, the competence of the manager, the cost efficiency, historical performance, and risk-adjusted returns. In terms of investment style, this fund is an actively managed balanced feeder fund. The allocation of assets based on market conditions and opportunities are actively managed by a fund manager. This fund is suitable for investors who have aggressive risk appetite and have an investment time horizon of at least 5 years. The fund manager of the feeder fund is ALFM, which stands for Ayala Land Fund Management, which is a subsidiary of the Bank of the Philippine Islands, or BPI, one of the strongest and largest banks in the Philippines. The management fee of the fund is 1%, which is notably lower than the average management fee of balanced funds in the Philippines, which stands at about 1.5%. Now let's take a closer look at the historical performance of ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund. While the past performance does not guarantee future results, it can provide valuable insights. The ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund has a strong track record of performance since inception. As of April 2023, the fund has generated an annualized performance of 2.36% plus an average annualized dividend yield of 5.69%. However, the Sharpe ratio, which is a measure of how well an investment performs relative to the amount of risk it takes, is only negative 0.6. A Sharpe ratio of negative 0.6 is considered to be below average, which stands at around positive 0.7. When it comes to the Sharpe ratio, the higher the number, the better. This means that the ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund has underperformed most other Philippine balanced funds in terms of risk-adjusted performance. Therefore, this fund is for investors with high risk tolerance. Now that we understand the fund's objectives and benefits, let's discuss how one can invest in ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund. The process is relatively straightforward. Interested investors can reach out to their financial advisors or visit the ALFM website to get more information about the fund and the necessary paperwork. They can also invest through local brokers such as Seawell Financial or through GCash G-Invest feature. In Seawell Financial, its minimum initial investment is 5,000 pesos, while in G-Invest, the minimum initial investment is 1,000 pesos. Please make sure to read the prospectus and consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before making any decisions. When considering any investment, make sure to understand the risks involved. ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund, like any other investment, carries certain risks. Market fluctuations, economic conditions, currency risk, and changes in interest rates can impact the value of your investment. In conclusion, ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund offers investors an opportunity to generate income and potentially benefit from global market opportunities. The fund's multi-asset approach, diversification strategy, and focus on income-generating assets make it an attractive option for investors seeking both income and potential capital appreciation. Personally, I intend to invest in this fund as a vehicle for me to earn monthly dividends from a diversified portfolio. In terms of fixed income, my minimum dividend yield requirement is only 5%. While its Sharpe ratio is lower than the average, investing in this fund is safer compared to investing in individual dividend-paying stocks. However, please remember that investing involves risks, and it is important to do due diligence to determine if the ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund aligns with your financial goal, time horizon, and risk appetite. Make sure to read the prospectus and fully understand the fund's objectives, fees, and potential risks before making any investment decisions. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, happy investing!